4m square plus m minus 3 equals to 0. We are going to solve this equation by quadratic formula. First, we will compare the given equation with, we can write this one like comparing given equation with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Now identify the value of a, b, c, where a equals to m square and here is x square. So what is the coefficient of m square? Which is 4. Next, bx, it means here is only m, so b equals to 1. C equals to, here is a minus 3 is a constant, so here is minus 3, right? So what is the quadratic formula? We know x equals to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac divide 2a. Now we substitute in the values of ABC. So in this case minus b, it means minus b equals to 1 plus minus b square, it means 1 square minus 4. A means what? 4. B means 1. 4ac, right? So only a and c. C means minus 3. Minus 3. Divide 2a. 2 times a means 4. And here a subnote, we can write substitute a, b, c. Next, here is a minus 1, then plus minus root over 1 square means 1, minus and minus 1, so multiply, it will be plus. 4 times 4 is a 16, 16 times 3 is a 48. 2 times 4 is a 8. Okay. Next, minus 1 plus minus 1 plus 48, it will be 49 root over divide 8. So here is a minus 1 plus minus root over 49, it's a 7 and then 8. So what will be the value? We can write in here. Here is a 2 value, ones plus x equals to, here is minus 1 minus 7 divide 8. It means minus 1 minus 7 minus 8 divide 8. Result is minus 1. Next, minus. So x equals to, that case x equals to, first minus 1, then plus minus plus 7, right? Divide 8. 7 minus 1, it will be 6. Divide 8. We can divide by 2. So here is a 3. Here is a 4. So our answer is 3 by 4. Very simple. So this case, our answer, what? Our answer, x equals to, we get minus 1 and 3 by 4. So minus 1, 3 by 4. This is our answer. So number 113 done. Question 114. 4n square minus 9n plus 5 equals to 0. We are going to solve this equation by quadratic formula. So first we have to compare this equation with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. That case a equals to 4, because here is a n square whose coefficient is 4, b equals to minus 9 and c equals to 5. Now once we put this value against x square equals to minus b, then plus minus root over b square minus 4ac divide 2a, what we will get against this n? So this case, if we substitute, it means a means what? Minus 9, a means 4, b minus 9, c 5. So this case first minus b, it means minus and minus 9. Be careful, here is a minus b. First minus and b equals to minus 9, we will put in the parenthesis. Then plus minus root over b square, it means minus 9 square, minus 4, a means 4 and c means 5, right? Divide 2a, 2 times a means 4. Now we are trying to solve this one step by step. So first minus and minus times, it will become plus, so only 9, plus minus root over minus 9 square, it means 81, minus 4 times 4 is a 16 times 5, it's a what? It's a 80, right? And 2 times 4 is a 8. Then here is a 9 plus minus 81 minus 80, it will be 1, it means root 1, and here is 8. So we get 9 plus minus 1 divide 8. So now we can simplify like this way. If positive, so n equals to, here is a 9 plus 1 divide 8, right? So what will be the value? This case 9 plus 1 will be 10 divide 8. Once we divide by 2, here is a 5 by 4, it means 5 by 4. So it's an improper fraction, we can write 1 by 4. This is our first answer. Second, if minus, only minus we can use, that case n equals to 9 minus 1 divide 8. So 9 minus 1 is 8, divide 8, 8 divide 8, it will be 1. Our answer is 1. So we can say, so n equals to 1 by 4 or 1. Very simple. So 114 done. Question 115, here is 2p square minus 7p plus 3 equals to 0. We are going to solve this one by quadratic formula. So first we have to compare with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. A means what? A means here is x square. So p square coefficient is 2, b equals to minus 7, c equals to 3. So our formula is what? X equals to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac divide 2a. Now we will put the value, or we can substitute. So n equals to, we can write against this one what? Minus b means here is a minus, then what? minus 7 plus minus root over b square, it means minus 7 square, then minus 4. A means 2, C means 3, right? Divide 2a. 2 times a means what? 2. Now it's a very important thing, minus and minus, it will be plus, it means plus 7, plus minus, minus 7 square, it means 49. So here is a 49 minus 4 times 2 is a 8, 8 times 3 is a 24. Divide 4. Okay. Then here is a 7 plus minus 49 minus 25, it will be 49 minus 24, it will be 25. Divide 4. Then here is a 7 plus minus 25. Once we make a root, we will get 5. Divide 4. So here we will get 2 answer. How? 2 real note we can get. So if plus, so in this case n equals to 7 plus 5 divide 4. 7 plus 5 is a 12, then 4, it will be 3, right? And once we use minus, if minus, that case n equals to 7 minus 5 divide 4. 7 minus 5 is a 2, divide 4, we will become 1 by 2, and this is our answer. So n equals to 3 or 1 by 2. Very simple. So this video I'm trying to solve 3 math based on quadratic equation. So these 3 math we have done. Next video we will start from 116, also that will quadratic formula. So next video we also try to solve 3 math. Okay, till then take care, keep practice. But my request, once you are seeing these kinds of math, first you have to solve yourself. If you have a problem, then you can see my video. And my request, please subscribe my channel, because from this channel you will get lots of things from your exam preparation. Thank you.